Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share for you guys how to comment into your Instagram post. Like you can how to create your comment into any Instagram post, the video or anything. Firstly, if we need to find the post first, for example, I have a post into here. Uh, so we just copy this link of the post first, and we can come back with the empty star and put the list link of the post into here. After that, we can make some setting like this with the number of tweets running in the same time. Switch account if you had error, or maximum per sitting account, like how many posts you want to sitting in the same time with the own account, or interval break between. So after that, we can choose the line or comment. But in this video, I want to show about the comment, and we can get your content of comment in here. One comment in the one line, like this. So after everything was done, we can choose do not comment duplicate content between account or not. You can choose any with any function you want. So just choose on the account into here, loading it. So I have in some of my account into here, and we can start right now. So this software automatically qualify your post and auto comment with anything you want. As you can see here, if on the post is not private, you can also find this post and auto comment into it. So for example, we can do more and find other posts to comment. As you can see here, it auto come to the post and auto comment into it. So if you want to about all information of this software and about other software, just contact me in the bio with the information. I can help you to using all this software. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video.